The branch of psychology that designs tests to assess IQ, aptitude, and other measures of human potential is A, B, C, D. The answer is B. Psychometrics. If both depressed and non-depressed individual received similar score of on a diagnostic test for depression, it is said that the test A, B, C, D. The answer is B is not valid. Gardner has proposed a theory of multi-intelligence. Which of the following is not one of the dimensions in his theory? The answer is A, B, C, D. The answer is D, performance. When we use the word tree to refer to a category of plants, we are using this word as an A, B, C, D. The answer is C, concept. In general, people attach concept and attribute to items and events. This knowledge is used to categorize and understand new stimuli and is best known as person. Answer is A, B, C, D. The answer is C, schema. Which psychological specialty is most directly concerned with the systematic study of problem solving, decision making, and concept formation? Answer A, B, C, D. The answer is D, cognitive psychology. The most common way of studying human cognitive processing is to evaluate. Answer A, B, C, D. The answer is D, reaction time. The fact that we can think without language is best illustrated in research on answer A, B, C, D. The answer is A, mental imaginary.